just dropped off the rims and tires at the Simply Rides, I think it's now called. It used to be Simply Street Bikes, something like that. The price for the service was $94, so I'll be picking them up tomorrow at the same time. And also, the motorcyclists are out. I think it's, let's see, 11 degrees Celsius right now. I'm not certain. I'm guessing it's about 55-ish degrees Fahrenheit right now. So motorcyclists are out, and guess what? They're forgetting to bloody turn off their blinkers when they're riding. So you never know when they're turning. That's hilarious. So I mean, it's a simple mistake. I've done this too, but you know, considering Minnesota winters last so long, people forget how to ride. Welcome back to the shop. Alright everybody, today we're gonna clean the rims on that RC79 Honda VFR 800. And I made this contraption. So out of 2 jack stands, they're pretty stable. There's a steel bar and a plastic PVC tube so that the wheel is not damaged from the inside, and it spins freely whenever I wash it. So it's a pretty decent contraption. Doesn't cost too much money at all, and if you need, you can use that bar for the rear as the rear center stand, as I showed in a previous episode. As far as washing goes, I might be using, actually those guys should have removed that sticky stuff, but I'm gonna remove it anyway, no problem. I might actually throw a little balance off, but I don't think so. They should be very light. I'll do the same thing with the front rim. That center hub, it should go on this PVC pipe just fine. Let's get going, I suppose. The tires need to be cleaned as well, because there's that stuff, the goop tire shops use to put the tires on, to slip them on the rim nicely. Well, let's continue with the washing itself. Alright, the rims are washed. The rear one is dry, looking fabulous. I still have to clean out the sidewall of the tire to put some lettering. This one I just washed. Everything is in there. That's alright. Nothing too bad. It's just a bit of paint. And those nuts or whatever they're called. Everything is shiny and good. Yeah. Everything else will be looking fantastic. Alright, I'm kinda decided to what I want to do with this tire as far as lettering goes. This is just a good old plain white tire paint, I should say. Tire marker. The funny thing, they're both Chinese. They're a tiny bit different. Apparently, probably the same company makes them, but just different looks. One is Sipa and the other one is Toyo. I'm sure Toyo tires will not be happy with this. Apparently they have different, some kind of standards. SA101 and SP110. Both white, both exactly the same. But I will have to go with the combination of the colors, and whenever I'm done, you will see what I did.